Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's question is square root algebra problem. Square root of 108 plus square root of 81 upon square root of 108 minus 81. We need to find the value of this term. So for this, first of all, we will do the factorize of the 108 number. So it will be 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14 and 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. And here the 81 factors is, suppose first of all we'll do with number 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21. It goes 27 times, and 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So you can see here the 100 factor is, if you see here 2 square, can we write it? It is 2 square, and here is also 3 square, and 1 3 is single. Because this is the square root numbers, we will write in terms of power 2. Similarly, in 81, you can see 3 square and 3 square. 3 square into 3 square. Upon same, we will repeat these numbers, 2 square into 3 square into 3 minus 3 square into 3 square. After this step, you can see this 2 square and 3 square goes outside and release with this square root, 2 into 3, these 2 and 3, and inside is 3 is remaining, plus 3 square, 3 into 3, upon same thing 2 into 3 is outside, and this 3 is remaining inside in square root, and here 3 into 3. These 3 is also released with square root. So the result is 2 3s are 6, root 3 plus 3 3s are 9, and here 2 3s are 6, root 3 minus 9. Now 3 is the common number in these. For these two terms, 3 is common, so inside is 2 root 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Similarly, here 3 is also common, so 2 root 3 minus 3, so 3 3 cancel. Now rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply 2 root 3 plus 3, opposite sign we are using here, and 2 root 3 plus 3. Now multiply, you can see 2 root 3 plus 3 and 2 root 3 plus 3. It will gives 2 root 3 plus 3 whole square, and in divide you can see this is A and this is B, A minus B, and it is A plus B. This gives A square minus B square. This is the identity. So we are using this identity here. Here A is 2 root 3. So here 2 root 3 square, A square minus B square. B square means 3 square. Okay, after this step you can see here 2 root 3 plus 3 whole square. It means A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square says A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, so we will write this term here again, 2 root 3 plus 3 whole square upon 2 root 3 minus 3, 2 root 3 whole square and 3 square. So we are using A plus B whole square in numerator. So A square is 2 root 3 square, A square. Then B square is 3 square plus 2AB, 2A and B upon A square. A square means 2 square is the 4 and root 3 square is 3. And 3 square is the 9. Then 2 root 3 square is 2 square is the 4 and root 3 square is the 3. The 4 3 is a 12. Plus 3 square is 9. 2 2 is a 4. 4 3 is a 12 root 3 upon 4 3 is a 12 minus 9. And 12 plus 9 is 21. 12 plus 9 is 21, and it is 12 root 3 upon 12 minus 9 is 3. Now after this step, 21 plus 12 root 3 upon 3. You can see in numerator 3 number is the common. So inside is 7 plus 3 4s are 12, 4 root 3 by 3. So this 3 cancel. So here is 7 plus 4 root 3. Now just put the value of root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732 and multiply with 4 number. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 7s are 28 or 1 29, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4 or 2 6. 6.928. And if you plus these two numbers 7 plus 6.928, so it will gives 13.928. This is our answer. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.